Hi guys and girls, my space secret here. Today is the 16th of November. I know, crazy how fast this year has gone, and it seems right now that the keyword at the moment is fiscal cliff, and basically that's a term that refers to more than $500 billion in tax increases and across the board spending cuts, and it will not take effect until January the 1st of next year, which is 2013. But Mr. Obama, who has been re-elected, and the Republicans are trying to reach some sort of alternative deal. And there is a lot of, to and fro, a lot of debating happening right now, and there are a few problems. So that's why they're not able to come to some sort of conclusion, and they're a bit stuck. But Ben Bernanke is in on this situation as well, and there's a lot of people blaming Bernanke, but please don't blame Bernanke. He's just taking orders. And it's a situation where those in charge are again making you and I suffer, that so that those at the top get what they need: more power and more control. Rob from the poor to help the rich. The game goes on, and it continues. And if you're one of my listeners, you know what exactly is happening right now, where we're heading. But look, tonight I want to do something different. I want to share with you what I think is happening, why this fiscal cliff has been delayed, and I want to take a look at the charts with you on the S&P 500 and a few other things. So, I stay up late trading most days in the week, and I think I've worked out what's happening, and also a very nice way that you can profit from all this fiscal cliff hoo-ha. So it's easier if I go into the charts right now and explain this a little bit more in detail for you. I'll do that in a second, but the market right now has been severely down since the re-election of Obama. I think since he was sworn back in, the market's been down, like 5%. And maybe they're teaching Obama a lesson here. I don't know. But I do know the market does not look good here. But there's something on my terminals that sort of tweaking and hinting at me that they're going to keep this thing down, and they're going to buy it up for a bargain price, trap everyone short, and then shoot it up higher again. That old chestnut. Now if you look at the congressional calendar, something is going on as well. I think Congress go back into holiday mode, and they pack up and leave on about the 16th or 17th of December. Now, what that means is they leave for 2012 entirely for the Christmas break, and they don't come back until the new year, 2013. So I think, they better get a move on with this whole fiscal cliff stuff as soon as possible. But, as usual, these greedy pigs, these capitalist morons, they seem to have an agenda, and like I said, they are delaying this for a reason, I believe. Just have a look at the market here, the series of lower lows we've had, since the start of October. That's not a good situation for the market right now. And just take a look at what the market has done. Obama was re-elected up here, and since the 5th of November, all we've done is we've come down, gone up for 2 or 3 days that were not even worth trading, and now we've gone down again and sold off on the market. So since the re-election of Obama, the market has pretty much, sold off quite violently. And right now the S&P is down 6%, or 5 out of the last 7 days since the swearing in of Obama. Now here what I want to do is I want to show you the market breadth, or the percentage of stocks hitting highs or lows. Since we've had quite a dramatic sell-off, it's pretty obvious that a lot of the stocks out there are hitting their lows, for the last few months. This is the breadth, what I call the breadth chart for the Nasdaq, and you can see down here, we are slowly coming in. Back in December, there was a nice low put in. This year, May, June, there was a nice low put in, and now, if you have a look over here, we are in November 2012. Obviously, we're getting down to those nice levels in the market, or what I would be calling the buy zones in the market. So it's actually here, the action over the last couple of days is telling me that we are going to see some sort of a short-term bottom in the market. It's not too far away, because if you go back and have a look here, we have not really gone past these levels of support, over the last 12 months. So it's telling me that, in the next couple of weeks, we're probably going to see some sort of a bottoming off, which means they're going to sort out these fiscal cliff problems, and that is why I believe they're going to delay the fiscal cliff stuff. And once it's sorted, we're going to see, some probably nice buying come into the market, and it will be a good opportunity to, make some profits, because that's what I'll be doing. That's how I will be playing it. And I've been a trader for over half my life, and there's two things that you must remember. The first is the governments always lie, and it's pretty obvious to see, what's happened over the last 12 months to 24 months, that's pretty obvious. The second thing is the charts never lie, and right now, right here, we can look past the news, look past what's happening in the events in the government, and I believe using this breath chart, having a look at what the S&P has done over the last few weeks, we're probably going to see that nice rounding bottom and a rally ensue on the market very soon when the fiscal cliff stuff is sorted out. So I hope that does make sense for you, and that's what I'll be looking for in the coming several weeks. If you do trade or invest in the market, be careful. I could be wrong, but there's no guarantees. But just know that's what I think they're doing with this fiscal cliff stuff. It's just an excuse to suppress the market for now. Once they trap people short, you know what the drill is. They're going to send it up higher. Maybe into December, we'll see a nice rally up into December, which can be a seasonal thing in the market also. Anyway, there's some food for thought. If you're having a trade on the market, good luck, and I'll be watching for this kind of thing, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, in the meantime, send the love, share this video around. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you all very soon. This is MySpace Secrets saluting you, and have a fantastic weekend. Okay, bye bye.